Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by activating the tools you need. Open your image and press Ctrl plus R, CMD plus R on Mac to show rulers. Next, right-click a ruler to choose units, pixels for web, inches for print, because accurate units matter for layout. Make sure window info is visible so you see live measurements while you drag. Once done, zoom to the area you'll measure. This reduces parallax errors and makes the ruler snaps more precise. You then switch to the ruler tool from the eyedropper group. If you press Shift plus I, you'll cycle through until it appears. Click and drag between two precise points to get length and angle in the info panel. This tells you how many px, degrees, or inches separate them. If you need alignment, use the measurement to create guides. Note the angle and choose View New Guide, or use the Straighten Layer option to rotate and lock orientation for exact placement. You finish by applying those measurements. Use Edit Free Transform, Ctrl plus T, and enter exact values from the info readout to scale or rotate layers precisely. Make sure to save or lock guides via View Lock Guides so nothing shifts. Alternatively, trim or export a guide-marked copy. If numbers look off, check the ruler origin at the document corner and confirm units. If needed, choose Reset Ruler Origin or Change Units, because an incorrect origin or unit is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.